What's going on, guys? You want a quick way to earn some Acorn token? Here you go. Go ahead to App Store and download Acorn Box. Once you get this downloaded, go ahead and run it. Go ahead and open it. Now create your account. What this is doing right now is creating your wallet, so your passphrase and all of that stuff, make sure you're saving that somewhere safe, because that's it. Go ahead, download the app, create your account. Now you have a bunch of tasks. Each task will allow you to earn some Acorn. Then you can go ahead and take this Acorn and trade it and do whatever you'd like. So in order to get started, you need an ID verification. You need to go ahead and verify yourself. So go ahead and do so, and then follow some of these steps to earn some free Acorn. Go ahead and enter your information to get your KYC verification, enter your country. Now go ahead and verify with your ID or your passport, whatever you have handy. I'm gonna go ahead and skip through this part. All right, I've already verified, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to go ahead and get some free Acorn token. Now, all you have to do is just follow the instructions on the screen. See here, it says for this task, you need to reply $Mero at the blockchain. Follow the link below. All you gotta do is basically click the link, do what it's asking you to, take a screenshot as I'm doing here, go ahead and reply, then take a screenshot of your comment, save it. Now go back and upload that image. It should look just like this right here. All your screenshots, just take a second to just crop it and upload it. Just make sure that the comment is on the image itself when you're uploading, because they will reject it. Alright, and upload. Alright, now you see how easy I got 5 acorns? Now you can continue through this process over and over and over until you got as many acorns as you can. I'm gonna go ahead and do this daily and see if there's anything I can do daily to continue to get some acorns, and then go ahead and trade them up. It's as simple as that, guys. As simple as that. Not even 5 minutes, you can get this all completed. And that is it. Go ahead and continue doing this and earn yourself some free tokens.